is October 15th, 2024, and I'm over here at Killybrooke, subbing a half day today, just like last week, same teacher, only instead of the afternoon half day, it's the morning half day, so I'm only here until noon. And when I arrive, like outside and inside, there's a lot of students coming up to me asking who I'm subbing for. Those who are in this class were very excited, so as soon as school started, I walked them over to science, so they're there for another half an hour. And so the teacher requested that I do some book repairs, so I was taping the spines of books that were paperback and falling apart. So that was interesting, to say the least. So the rest of the day went well. We had ELA and then recess and then math, and now it's lunchtime, and that's it for today. And these students have a lot of energy, I'll put it that way. But we pushed through and we got through all the material. And as always, it's good to be back at Killybrooke. Almost everywhere I go, there's students that come up to me and remember me from subbing for them in the past, even if it was a couple of academic years ago. So I appreciate that. So I can't wait for next time. It's October 17th, 2024. I'm over here at NMUSD Elementary doing a half day for fourth grade today. And the day just ended, and I'd say it was one of the greatest fourth grade classes I've ever subbed for. Very kind and respectful. I came in here and almost ran into a student because she was rushing out as I was rushing in. Let's just say that there's a couple of red lights on the way, but I made it. The teacher walked me through everything. Everybody was silent, working on their tasks, and then after lunch were 2 tests, and they were very good at that point too. So I really appreciate today, and a lot of the students remembered me when I subbed them last year. It was actually almost a year ago, Halloween 2023, when I was here subbing. And so they remembered me as the sub who does tricks, and so I showed them a couple of tricks today. Well, tomorrow apparently there's no school, so it's a 3-day weekend, so it was a pleasure to sub this week. I didn't sub yesterday because I was over at Canyon Vista Elementary School in Capistrano Unified School District, and there I did 3 assemblies for autism awareness, disability awareness, acceptance, inclusion, and I just passed 10,000 students, so that is a huge milestone total, and 500,000 more to go in Orange County. I ran into the principal at lunchtime today and the principal at Killybrooke on Tuesday, and I told both of them I'm still willing to do these assemblies here, and both of them were enthusiastic about the ideas. They're going to try to let me have an assembly this year, so I'll be talking to the person in the office in here in a few minutes. And if you're watching and you're in Orange County, I'm willing to do these assemblies voluntarily at my expense, not charging anything. And all I ask is about 20 to 30 minutes, and I've been told that it changed lives and that the message that I bring is much needed to be heard. So if you have any connections, please refer them to me. So thank you for watching this video, and remember, disability or not, anybody can do whatever they set their heart and mind to do as long as it's practical, and behind the disability we have a heart and we have a mind. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.